How to grow sorghum. Sorghum is a tall grain-producing crop that has worldwide benefits. This multi-purpose plant can be made into a multitude of food items for people, provide feed for animals, and is used in manufacturing household items like brooms. The town of Blairsville, Georgia, even holds an annual Sorghum Festival to celebrate the grain. Try growing sorghum, the third most popular grain in the United States, with these handy steps. Things you will need: sorghum seeds. Prepare the seed bed by plowing the land either right before planting or in the fall. This will allow the sorghum to have a full stand. Fertilize the soil before planting because sorghum is easily burned by fertilizer. Try to get a pH of 6.0 in the soil for the sorghum to do well. Plant the sorghum seeds. They are typically planted at the time the soil is safely between 65 to 70 degrees F at a depth of 4 inches. Once the seed is planted, cover it with 1 inch of regular soil or 1 inch of sandy soil. The seeds should be from 6 to 8 inches apart and in rows that are 3 to 3 feet apart. Control weeds. For the most part, sorghum can hold its own against most weeds, but if they become a problem, an herbicide may be needed. If it comes to needing an herbicide, contact the local county extension office for specific information. Don't worry about watering too much. Sorghum is very tolerant to both drought and flooding.